Hi, I'm Mark Smith with Macroscopic Solutions. Today I want to talk about the new flash units that are being incorporated into the Macropod PRO 3D systems for 2023 and after. The flash systems that we used to use included the Canon MT24EX, which was replaced by the Canon MT26EX RT, which was then replaced by Yangnuo YN24EX briefly while Canon had supply chain issues. And now we've moved on to the wireless Godox MF12 flash, which honestly I couldn't be happier with. These flash units are rechargeable. They can maintain a charge and stay plugged in while they're in use. The recharge cycles seem very good, and the transmitter is quite fast. So these are the flash units that are now included with all of the systems, and I want to show everybody how to use them, turn them on, and tether them. For everybody who has a system, know that what you receive is actually 4 of these flash heads from me. That's so that 2 can be in use while the other 2 are on the charger. Now, like I said, you could just leave them plugged in while they're in use, but sometimes it's good to just get rid of the cables, leave 2 on the charger, and leave the other 2 while you're using it. And then you're also going to be receiving the Godox X Pro C transmitter, which connects the flashes to the camera and also seeks the same channel. So when you power these things on, make sure my batteries are good here, but I'm going to turn on the transmitter. I have a channel select. It shows that I'm on channel 21 in the upper left hand corner. And let's say I wanted to change that channel. What I do is I hold the button, this button right here. It says zoom dash channel. The top left button, it's right here. I'm going to hold that, and then I can spin this dial to select my channel. But channel 21 is where everything else is synced, so I'm going to leave that there. On each flash head, when you first fire these up, they're probably going to sync right to channel 1. Channel 1's totally fine too, by the way. It's just that mine's set to channel 21. Sometimes I have multiple systems running, so I like having these on different channels so that they're not getting confused. So what I do is I hit this power button, I rotate the dial to unlock the flash, and you can see here in the window channel 21. So I'm already connected up. Looks like my battery's at full power. You can see how quickly that charged. But let's just say I want to again change the channel. I can go to mode, and what you'll do is scroll down. You'll spin this dial until you see CH. You select that, and then you can just pan through until you've selected the same channel. So once all of these units are on the exact same channel, what's nice to do is power everything back off and then power it back on, and everything should sync up. Now, at first, you might see that the setting that's on the flash head is different than the flash that's on the transmitter. You can see mine are the same. They're 1/16. At the moment, if I were to spin my transmitter, hit set, and I'm going to take this to 1/8, you can see it's changing on this as well. So sometimes if you've just synced the channel, you might need to actually manually adjust the settings so they're all identical, turn everything back off and turn it back on, and then everything will be synced up. And then from now on, you never have to adjust the settings on these flash heads. You can just adjust the setting right here on the transmitter, which is really nice. Now remember, I just bumped it up to 1/8. That's a rule. Basically, when you use this flash with the Macropod, don't ever use it in automatic mode. Always use it in manual modes to make sure that the mode here is set to M. And you could do that just by clicking the right. Oh, that's the light. But basically, you can change the mode right here at any point. I'm just going to keep clicking until you're at an M. And you want to use this within a range between 1/8 to 1/256. 1/1 is too much power. You're going to drain the batteries too fast, and it's going to be too much light. The recharge cycle is not going to be good. 1/4, again, stay away from that range. You want to sort of start your brightness at 1/8. 1/8, if that's not bright enough for your sample, then you want to adjust the camera's ISO accordingly. Increase it in order to brighten the image. Now, the reason why I'm saying this, just in case Godox or somebody else is listening that takes single exposure shots, is we're focus stacking. So because we're taking multiple shots, we need our flashes to recycle very quickly. Because we're taking about anywhere between 20 to 80 pictures within a 4-minute time span. So For us, it's best to keep it within a range of 1/8 to 1/256. That's perfectly fine. Just respond and refer to the table that's in your TPT workflow. Just so everybody knows, that workflow is in the process of being updated, so all the scale bars for the Macropod Pro 3D are going to be updated very shortly. And in addition, the tables are going to be updated as well for everybody to use the same camera settings depending on the magnification range that you are at. A couple new things are coming as well. We're creating a new vertical stage for the system, so stay tuned for those. And again, look forward to working with you, and thank you for tuning into this video. I hope it was informative and helpful for everybody using this Godox MF12 wireless flash.